Hey guys, I'm going to do a video real fast, and I want to answer a question I was asked on one of my YouTube videos, and that is, I'm 21 years old. I don't know anything about real estate investing. I have $1,000 to my name, and I want to use real estate to go ahead and get out of this situation I'm in terms of a job. Because they don't like their job, apparently. And can I start with $1,000 by the end of the year? That was the question. Can I start with $1,000 by the end of the year? Now, right now is July 2018. And I want to tell this particular individual, as well as others out there, number one, at 21 years old, I commend you for having the thought process of wanting to be an entrepreneur. So congratulations on that. Number two, you don't need to wait to begin real estate investing. You don't need $1,000. You don't even need $100. It takes $10, guys, to go ahead and tie up a wholesale contract. And that's because you have to give some type of consideration to make the contract binding. $10. So to answer your question, you don't have to wait till the end of the year. You can start right now, July 2018, and get going. How do you get going? Look at my videos. Over 200 of them on there. Tons of ideas on how to contact sellers, what to do and how to do it. I got a video that says, I found a vacant property. What do I do next? You can start there. You can drive for dollars. Drive around your local area, finding properties that are distressed and abandoned, look like they need work. Write the addresses down, follow that video, take it from there. You don't need to wait. You can get going right now. Okay. So, I think what I want to do right now is take time to, say that I appreciate a lot of the younger folk that are starting to find the channel. Many of you are, I had one guy reach out to me, guys, 19 years old. 19, guys. 18 years old. These younger people just reaching out to me because they want more for themselves. I appreciate that. And so, yeah, go ahead and get started today. And that's for any of you 21-year-olds, any of you 20-year-olds, 18-year-olds, 17. If you're 80, you can get started right now. Okay. You don't have $10, go borrow it and get started right now. Okay. If y'all found value in this video, please click the like button. Also, share it with friends and family. I'm going to have some links in the description. Think about joining the House Flipping Family Facebook group. Also, it's one thing that I don't promote a lot, and I'm going to promote on this video, is I have a Facebook page as well. It's House Flipping Guide. Okay, so facebook.com/House Flipping Guide. I'm going to also have that link in the description, along with some other things, guys. Okay, you all have a great day. Take care.